Good morning, everyone. I am going to work on my Gunne Sax dress today. It is now Thursday. I meant to start this yesterday. I made the pattern Monday. Tilly's surgery was Tuesday, so I couldn't work on anything that day. And then Wednesday, I worked on the Target try-on dress video, and I uploaded it. And then I had every intention of starting to cut out the pieces of fabric with the pattern, and then I just didn't. So now it's Thursday. It is 5:30 in the morning and I'm gonna get started. And I was also given some really cute fabric from an estate sale that our friend Janessa got me. So this is like a plain paisley, but the two fabrics that were like bundled together with it were so adorable. So this is like vintage kitten fabric with like drinking tea and things. Like, look how cute that is. So I'm gonna have to turn this into something. It is so adorable. And then there's also this one of like a little white kitten playing with a pink ball of yarn. Yeah, but it's super adorable. So I'm gonna have to figure out what I'm gonna eventually make with this, because so cute. I mean, the kitten's drinking tea. Come on, so cute. Alright, so I have my pattern I just pulled back out, and Kitten is breaking the fabric for us. Kitten, what are you doing? What are you doing? You comfy? Rude. Okay, so I have the bodice pieces all clipped together. So now I can sew them together, and there's going to be 2 layers, so it will be lined. I cut out the skirt pieces and ties, and then this is that skirt. It's the pocket / skirt yoke. So there's that. So everything's cut out, and now I guess I could start sewing. I think it's looking super cute. It looks like a cute little bodice, and I think the lace is also going to be super adorable on it, and the buttons down the center. I love this fabric so much. Look at it. It's the perfect burnt orange. So cute. Alright, so these are the pocket openings on the skirt. I turned the edge in twice, pinned it down, and then I decided to, at the same time, sew the lace trim on. So this is what it looks like so far. The bodice pieces are all sewn together. Those will be put together later, but I thought I would go ahead and prepare this pocket area. Alright, so the skirt yoke and / pocket piece is pinned in place. So I will be sewing around the edge to form that pocket, and then it also fills in that gap of where the skirt would be. So I think this is going to be really cute, and I am very happy with how this is looking. This is probably going to be my favorite dress. Okay, actually, I forgot that I haven't done the ties. Is this the ties? This is the ties. So the ties actually need to go in the side seam. So I'm going to have to actually seam rip this open, and I'm going to need to be able to insert the dress ties in the dress. So I have to fold these in half, sew them so that I have 2 ties ready, and then I'll have to seam rip and insert them into the side seam. Alright, so I seam ripped the outer layer of the dress, and I inserted the tie in after I sewed that. So now I have the ties inserted, and now I think I'm going to start working on the embellishments. So I'm going to have one row of lace going down the center, and then I'll probably do another row over this seam and then another over this seam. Alright, so I now have the lace and everything sewn on, and now I'm going to attach the skirt. Alright, it is now Friday morning at 5:41 in the morning. My husband ordered some coffee for me. I just woke up. That's why I look like this. But my husband just left for work, but he recently ordered me some coffee that's supposed to be like pumpkin flavored. So I'm gonna try that this morning. It's actually cold. Like, I am cold. And we've been having like 100 and something degree weather lately. Like, it's actually cold. I feel like I can get all cozy and wear warm things. But I'm gonna make my morning coffee, and I'm gonna use this spiked jack-o'-lantern coffee. And I saw that they do have an affiliate program, so I did sign up for that. And if you want to say, if you wanted to try it, the coffee too, they also have cocoa and tea. But I signed up for their affiliate link, so if you want to save 5%, you can use my code that I'll have in the description. I think I did it as kimmimorningstar. So if you want to help support me that way and also get coffee, I think coffee would be like, if anyone wanted to sponsor me, coffee would be the thing, because I literally drink it every day. Like, I love my coffee. So I'm going to make some, and I'm going to try it out and see if it's any good. So I usually let this sit for 3 minutes, but I started watching Makara Tour's latest video, so I watched the whole thing, so it's been more like probably at least 15 minutes, so it should be nice and strong. Hello, Jetta. Can I have my cup, please? I would. Jetta, Jetta! I just want my coffee. You don't get coffee. No, 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 no. Oh my gosh, you're gonna put your butt, oh, you put your butt on me? Okay then. Okay, so I actually do like this one. This is probably the best pumpkin spice. Well, it's not pumpkin spice, it's spiked jack-o'-lantern. I think they actually have a second pumpkin flavored one. That I might need to check and see if we can order that. I like this one. It doesn't have that. There was like some kind of chemically taste that I just didn't like in other ones that I've tried. But usually when I see like pumpkin spice coffee, I always get it because I want like a good pumpkin spice flavored coffee without having to like go to Starbucks for a pumpkin spice latte. I mean, this isn't like a latte, of course. It's like a regular coffee with just some milk and sugar, but I actually really like it. I wonder what the difference is in what they use to flavor it versus what other companies have used, because it's actually, it's not bad. It's pretty good. All right, now that I have my coffee, I'm gonna finish my dress. All right, so as far as critiquing the coffee, the only thing I would change is I'm a dark roast kind of person. So if they could make this with like a dark roast version, I think that would make it even better. I usually drink like dark roast normally. So, if they were to make Yeah, so if they were to make like another one, instead of making it medium roast, make it dark roast so that it's nice and strong. That would be my suggestion, to just make it a little better. Of course, some people might like medium roast, you know, some people might not be as conditioned to drinking coffee. I've been drinking it since I was probably 16. I think I've been drinking coffee since I was like 16. But yeah, I can totally drink this. It's actually really good, and it smells good. When you open the bag and smell it, it smells really good. So right now I am playing bobbin chicken. The bobbin thread is almost out of thread, and it keeps beeping at me, but I just have this much left. I'm hoping I can make it without having to fill the bobbin before it reaches here. I can proudly tell you that I did win bobbin chicken, but let's see how much thread was left. Oh my gosh. Oop. This is how much thread was left. Wow. Alright, so the waistband ribbon thing is sewn on, and now I just need to put in the zipper. I'm gonna make straps. I might make some black sleeves with the black really thin cotton fabric that I used for my chemise all around inspired summer dress. So I might do that as well, because I do like sleeves. And it would be nice to have the sleeves built into the dress. But I will make straps after I do the zipper and I'm able to properly test the fit of the dress. Okay, so I tried it on and it was very loose in the back, and I didn't want to completely take apart the dress. So because it was mostly loose like at the top of the back of the bodice, I just kind of sliced a chunk out of the back after removing the zipper, and I'm hoping that takes out enough that it'll fit more snugly. So yeah, I don't know if that's, I mean, that's probably like not a great alteration method, but it's what I did. This used to be like, look like this was straight. Now it looks like it's diagonal because I just cut a chunk out of the center back. So taking out that chunk in the back made it fit nice and smooth against my back. And I'm not like super thrilled about the fit in the front, so I'll have to adjust my pattern a little bit just so that I will have a nice perfect pattern that I can use more, but I think it's fine. Like, I think what would have fixed it if I took the center front piece and just took a little bit out of it. Alright, so the zipper is now in and the straps are sewn on, and now I want to make some black sleeves that I'll sew to this. Yeah. It's almost a shame to brush out these curls. I didn't know my hair could get this curly. My hair's gotten so long that it was actually really difficult for me to put it in rollers, but like I wasn't expecting to be like Shirley Temple curly.